So if it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi because it is Spectrum, there's a couple steps that I do to make sure that it does connect. One of them is that you want to disconnect the power in the daughter board and do a hard reset. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and take off the daughter board and the battery. Let's take that out. Disconnect this. And also unplug the button. You want to wait about 5 seconds. Then you want to put everything back on. So start with the daughter board. Battery. And then plug it back in. After this, you want to do a hard reset, which is going to be the regen, and the next. And then you just want to reset all the settings. So right now it's 9:11. So set clock and 9. And today's Tuesday. So let's go to the Wi-Fi settings. See how it's not connected, 00. I really don't pay attention to the signal strength, only to the numbers. If it's at 00, it keeps bouncing back to 00, that means it's not connected. So let's go ahead and do the set clock and down for the broadcast mode. And then just follow the steps on the Wripli app. Wi-Fi settings, and you want to look for something that's going to be the B038 and a bunch of numbers. So in order to connect to that, password is 12345678. Don't tell anyone. And you want to go back to the Wripli app. Just follow the steps on here. So just after it's connected, hit next. You want to find your Wi-Fi and enter the password for your own Wi-Fi. And if done correctly, the broadcast mode is going to switch over to your Wi-Fi name and the signal strength. And again, I don't go by the bars, but I go by the numbers. So if it's at 00 or bounces to 00, it's not connected, and you want to just repeat the steps until it does connect.